This week, we're looking at how the school is responding to Hurricane Harvey. The destructive storm dumped over 30 inches of rain in portions of Houston. The drive is set out to help those in need, especially the littlest ones. The drive is aimed at raising necessities for babies. This includes diapers, wipes, and much more. These bins have only been here for a couple of days, and most of them are already full.
Yeah, I'm really excited that our school is getting behind this cause because it's really great that we're actually doing something worthwhile, something that is amazing for the people down that have been affected by the hurricane.
Yeah, no, I think it's an amazing thing that Northtown's doing, giving to those in need from the hurricane, especially those that actually weren't supported by the government relief programs, so such as babies with needs of diapers, formula bottles, clothing. So yeah, Northtown's given a lot, which is amazing.
The bins will be there for the rest of the week. Please come and donate, and you can help those that are affected. I'm Josiah Mendoza. This is NTV News.